The Robinson house type is a great family home with rooms big enough for entertaining spaces. This house needed to feel warm, inviting and homely, yet smart and executive for a range of Story Homes customers. The house incorporated a mix of blues, neutrals and dusky pink tones to create that warm and inviting feel whilst adding depth to achieve that quality executive look and feel. It's a split between two, the lounge and the kitchen dining family space. The lounge was beautiful, it felt luxurious, that textured deep blue wallpaper on the walls and those soft pink accents. In that family space, we've got that amazing panelling on the walls with that beautiful artwork situated in between each and the sofa underneath, and then the circular marble dining table with the very simplistic dressing out on top. It has to be the bed. It's the most impactful piece of furnishing for any home. The bedroom should be designed as a sanctuary with the bed being the focal point. You can really personalise this room and create impact with the style of your headboard. So whether you go for an oversized large framed headboard or the long and low, perhaps even the curved like we've got in bedroom 2. You can add texture with the wallpaper, throws, bedding and ornamentation around the room. Think of how you want your home to look and feel and pick furnishings to reflect the style that you want to achieve. To create that relaxing feel, perhaps you replicate the show home using those soft neutrals, blues, pinks. Sociable settings, think about the round circular table. It adds softness with the curved edges and it's a great space for entertaining.